Hello you guys, it's Christina Reed back with another video. And as you can see in the title down below, y'all are going to be seeing me do my high puff. So if y'all want to see how I achieve this look, then stay tuned.
Life without you been feeling kinda strange. Well, I see that you're doing very well. You looking very well. I miss the way your perfume smell. I miss the way that you blowed up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling well. You looking very well. I miss the way your perfume smell.
Alright y'all, so we're just gonna get straight into this video. Okay, so y'all already see in the title, like we finna do my signature look, you dig? Okay, so y'all already know how I rock if y'all are a true K baby. One thing about me and two things for sure, I'm gonna do a high puff. It's so easy, so simple, so cute. So I really need to get some more eco. So I got my green eco, right? I love the clear, like that's just what works for me. So y'all see all this hair I got? Yeah. Y'all. Alright, so normally what I do first is I normally use water, but for some reason I'm not gonna use water today. So what y'all already kind of see it's already kind of like still looking set from what I did yesterday. So I'm just gonna brush everything up. If y'all see some little flakes, you know, little deflaking, we're not gonna pay attention to that because baby, I need to wash my hair. But I'm trying to hold out, you know, just a little while longer. Yes. Okay, so basically I just normally brush it up. I don't want to use water because I'm noticing sometimes with my hair, like it just sets better when I don't use water. And sometimes I use water like a spray bottle. We're not gonna do that today. So you're gonna get your eco, your gel, whatever works for you. And I just basically just put it up, like, you know, just apply it upward around the perimeter of my hair. Yes, y'all, sometimes I'm using a generous amount, and that could be why my hair likes to flake up, but yeah. So I've added that. So I'm gonna tell y'all a little trick that I have learned. Okay, so what I have learned is with a slick up bun, sometimes if you really want that sleek look, you can go in some edge control. So I'm gonna go in with my can y'all see that? Yes, my She Bomb. So what this does, it just gives it that real sleek look. Like, ooh, like, dang, her hair sleek. Like, ooh, what she used? Because, you know, Eco can kind of make it curl up too. But this is just what I do. Now, if you want to try a little dibble and dabble and see what to do for you, then go for it. So I'm going to brush it. I'm just going to brush it. Just going to apply just a little bit of edge control upward around the perimeter, baby. That's all we're gonna do. Not you don't need nothing too much, just a little bit. One day I was doing my hair and I tried it and I was like, dang. Y'all, and also I'm trying to do my hair before I go to work. Look how sleek that junk look. We ain't even brushed it yet. We have not brushed it yet. So now I'm gonna brush it upward. And also, y'all already know how I rock. I don't use shoestrings. I don't use hair ties to tie my hair up unless it's like a sleek up bun, sleek down bun, because my hair is too thick, as y'all can see. So we just gonna brush it upward all over. Look how sleek this junk look already. Ooh, yes. Yes, don't play with her. All right, so I'm gonna show y'all the back too. Alrighty, in the sides we got that. So I'm gonna just brush it just to make sure I work that product on through. Cause look at on waves. Ooh, dang, bro. It's that water. Swish, rolling water, ocean. Ooh. Okay, so now I'm going to get my. This is a stocking, y'all. I'm not gonna lie, it's a stocking that I cut up. Honestly, it's safe for your hair. A lot of times when we you know, when we put our hair up in a bun, anything like that, that can really cause breakage. So I feel like using anything harsh while you know you're gonna do a tight bun is not needed. I used to use shoestrings. I stopped doing that because it will literally pop off your hair, and we don't want that. We want length, right? Okay, so I'm gonna even it out. Some people, they will tie the ends of their hair up. Maybe that's what I should do. Okay, so I'm gonna show y'all another trick. If you have, you know, thick hair and it's gonna get in the way, so you can get your little hair tie. What you can do is you can kind of like, you know, just put it in like a little ball right quick, just so you know it'll be out the way. So we're gonna even it out. Got my hair tie. Now I'm gonna tie it like this, and then I'm gonna pull it upward, upward, upward. Ugh. Y'all see I got it on. I got it kind of tight, right? I like mine tight, and this is not a good thing all the time, but I don't like a loose bun. Like, I just really don't. So now I'm gonna tie it again. I'm making sure it's tight, y'all. And I'm just gonna wrap it around. I'm gonna lie to y'all. Don't follow me up, but I'm gonna wrap it around a couple more times because I want to make sure it's secure. But if you want to follow me up, we gladly do that. All right, so what I use for my edges sometimes, like, you know, is called Instant Control Age Braid Gel Maximum Hold. This stuff is the truth. It's like $11.99 at your local beauty supply store. And they also have it on Amazon. I think it's a little cheaper. It's like $9.99. But with taxes and stuff, it's going to equal the same amount. I'm out of breath. All right, so I'm going to show y'all what I do in the bag. So in the bag, I always have this hair that's just stubborn, as y'all can see. You see it? Just curling, right? Curly. Comes out easily. So, normally, I don't want to take too much out, but I think I took too much out because I ain't supposed to struggle taking it out. So, take a little bit of that out and get the little edge control, kind of sleek up that piece right there that's kind of, you know, trying to be greedy and come out. So I take out some, I don't know what this is called, your kitchen, I don't know. But I always take some out on both sides. I really feel like I took too much out on this side though, but that's okay. So we're gonna take some of this out on both sides. Yeah, I definitely took too much out on that side, but it's all right. We're gonna even it out. There we go. That's gonna even it out. I think I took too much out on that side. Look how long it look. All right, it's all right. So now I'm gonna do the edges. If your edge brush don't look like mine, it ain't gonna work right. Cause they done been through some stuff. Now we're gonna swoop. So the swoop, you gotta really use your fingers, y'all. Some people be just like, ugh. No, I don't do that. So we're gonna hold our baby here. Separate that, hold it, you know? Gonna swoop. You gonna, voila. But see, that's too big. I don't like that swoop. That swoop a little too big for me. We like it, you know, a simple swoop. There we go. I'm gonna show y'all the next thing I do. So, a lot of people say don't use Cantu. There's nothing wrong with certain Cantus in my opinion. Like that old version, I don't use that. The new version, Cantu avocado hydrating gel, this stuff is the truth. And if you look at the ingredients, it has nothing bad in it, like no alcohols, parabens. It doesn't have any of that stuff in it. So I don't, when people say, oh my God, don't use that. What you mean don't use it? Like, if you look at the ingredients, there's nothing bad in it. Now, the other ones that got that alcohol in it, I don't use those. No. So I'm going to get some of that, and I put it on this back part. You know, give it a little curl. Yes, look at that. Oh, sheesh. Looking like a little Jerry curl back there. All right, so now I want to add it to the other side. That's how I know I use too much hair. Cause why is it so full? Yeah, I use too much hair, but it's okay, cause it's gonna shrink. All right, so I'm gonna wipe my hands, and I'm gonna show y'all what I do next, cause it's like 2 more steps, easy steps though. So I'm gonna get my hair tied. I'm gonna tie my hair down for like 10 minutes. Just to let it set, to let it mold. Onto, we're just gonna apply it to certain parts of the puff. And what this does is it's just gonna add like curls to my puff, since I didn't technically comb out or brush out my puff like I should have. But that's okay. I'm just gonna let my hair sit for like 10-15 minutes. I'm gonna finish getting ready for work. Normally what I do sometimes if my hair is taking too long to dry, or the product's taking too long to penetrate my hair, because my hair is low porosity, I'll get like a blow dryer and I'll just, you know, like add to certain places to my hair and my puff so it'll dry quicker, so the product can set quicker. But by the time I leave for work, my hair should be dry. So y'all stay tuned so you can see how this is gonna turn out, because y'all already know how I'm coming. Like, it's gonna be cute. Plus, I'm going to work, so I don't need to be too cute. Okay, y'all, so we back. Periods. Okay, y'all see my bun, how it's kind of like defined. It's not fully defined, but that's okay, because I'm going to work. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this off. Make sure it's good and laid. Don't play with it. It's a little white right there, but we're gonna, yeah, that's all I had to do for that, because I don't play about no white edges, man. Certain edge controls, they'll do that, and some of them, they don't. So what I'm gonna do is, I like my bun to look big, like I told y'all. So we just gonna fluff it out some. It don't need to be fluffed too much, because it's already fluff. Plus, it's not fully dry. I did add the blow dryer to it. But yes, y'all. Y'all see me. Y'all see the curls. Like, this is super duper cute. I see that right there. Don't play with it, baby. My hair came out really cute. But thanks you guys so much, so much for watching this video. If you're still watching, of course. Let me know what type of styles y'all want to see next. If y'all don't know, then I'm going to still bring forth the content for y'all and the tutorials. Thanks you guys so much for watching my channel. You already know my motto. If you're a true K-baby, stay lifted and stay encouraged always. And don't let nobody ruin your day. Or I'm going to have to beat them up, period. Just joking. Maybe. But love you, K-babies.
You blowed up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling well. I miss the way that you look in my eyes, man. That's why I'm getting back with you, girl. Keep on talking about my